10-minute yoga routine. Please remember to listen to your body and avoid any poses that cause discomfort. If you have any medical conditions, please consult with a doctor before starting a new exercise routine. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Easy pose, Sukhasana. Sit comfortably cross-legged. Rest your hands on your knees with palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on your inhalation and exhalation. Seated side stretch. While still in Sukhasana, lift your right arm and stretch it over your head towards the left side, keeping your left hand on the ground for support. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Stretch your hands above your head and interlock your fingers. Breathe deeply. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Exhale, bending at the waist and reach towards your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. Halfway lift, Ardha Uttanasana. Inhale and lift your torso halfway up, your hands on your shins and your back straight. Plank pose. Plant your hands on the mat, step back and hold your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale and lift your hips towards the ceiling, pressing your palms and feet into the mat. Tree pose, Vritsasana. Stand tall, shift your weight onto your right foot, bend your left knee, and place your left foot on your inner right thigh. Raise your arms above your head. Repeat on the other side. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Sit with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale and stretch your arms up. As you exhale, reach forward towards your feet. Seated twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit with your legs straight. Bend your right knee and cross your right foot over your left knee. Twist your torso to the right and place your left elbow on your right knee. Repeat on the other side. Corpse pose, Savasana. Lie flat on your back, palms facing up, and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Remember, it's not about perfecting the pose, but about the journey and the way it makes you feel. Enjoy your practice. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.